Hi guys, just a quick video. This is a Samsung VR350. It's quite an old unit now, so imagine they get a few complications. One is dust from the laser. The idea of this machine is you can copy from the tape to the DVD and from the DVD to the tape, which is very convenient if you've got old videos you want to put on discs, all that type of thing. Now, I've seen other people online clean the laser, and they got long cotton buds and they're going in from the back to get to the laser. Some have this metal sheet here and some don't. I'm not saying this is exactly the same as your model, but if it is, it'll work for you. Probably similar setup anyway. The easiest thing to do is take this panel off. Now it looks a little bit hard to work out how it gets off, but I'll show you that. Also, you have the machine turned off before you're doing this. You're doing it at your own risk, but also have the machine turned off. It's not connected to any power. Obviously you're taking the top off, four screws all together, and it just slides off. That's no big deal. So to get this off, if you have a look, there's two little plastic levers. There's one this side and there's one this side. So we just got to pull them back. That's what's holding it in. It's sort of clipped in. These levers, little levers come across to hold it in, and also it slides under this part. So it sort of goes down like that and slides under these little blocks at these ends here. So just pull this back. So you need a screwdriver, a little flat screwdriver. Just pull it back and you can pull it up. See, it's come up now. Same again on that side. Pull him up. And then we can just pull him out like that. And that gives you complete access, easy access to your laser and your spindle. There's a little red light in this one too. So I'd clean both of them. A little bit of alcohol and a cotton bud. But that's so easy than trying to see it from the back. You're sort of coming under and hoping that you got it right. This gives you complete direct access. Put this back on, it's just the reverse. Slide it in. And then move your little levers across. And that clips back in. Done. Okay, thanks for watching.